We go to the Eastern Cape now, where President Cyril Ramaphosa will officially launch the first pilot site of the district-based coordination model dubbed Khawuleza at the OR Tambo District Municipality in the Eastern Cape today. Now, the aim of this model is to address issues of service delivery and economic development through synchronisation of planning across government spheres, working with the community and businesses. And for more on this story, we cross now to our reporter Busisiwe Jemsana-Mantashe, who is at Lusikisiki, where the launch will take place this morning. So let's cross over there. Busisiwe, good morning. So can you tell us a little bit more about this initiative?
A very good morning, Sakina. We are coming to you from Lusikisiki. The president is expected before the official launch of the Khawuleza model to start to do a walkabout in this hospital. This is the NHI pilot clinic. Right where we are standing, Sakina, behind me was a clinic that was in a dilapidated state where it did not have waiting areas, ventilators were not working, and so on and so forth. And it has since been refurbished, and it is seen as a pilot project for the NHI. It has optometry, it has various sections inside that are aimed at providing world-class health facilities to patients, and indeed so it has been operating and people are happy with how it is. But more than that, the government now seeks to address the issue of shortages of nurses so as to address the challenges of attitudes, because more often than not, patients complain not only about the infrastructure in public hospitals, but about the attitude of the nurses that are receiving them, and therefore it would seem that the country is moving to that promised land of NHI. Also in the day, Sakina, as you mentioned, the president will also be launching the service delivery model that seeks to make sure that government departments do not operate in silos, but work together with local governments so as to ensure service delivery. You would recall, Sakina, that there have been a number of service delivery protests in the Eastern Cape, in particular in the OR Tambo District Municipality, people complaining about service delivery. And as we speak, Sakina, here in some areas of the OR Tambo District, there is no water. People are queuing for water as we speak. The roads are in a bad state. And so this program seeks to make sure that there is an integrated approach in trying to deal with service delivery backlogs in rural areas. That it seems to be the thing that is also not only hampering on residents, but is also preventing investors from coming to the province, which is one of the poorest provinces in the country. So this seeks to make sure that services are rendered in as urgent manner as possible in rural areas, and that those that are in need are able to be helped with the integrated approach that will be done. The president will be launching that, and we are waiting to hear how he outlines what should happen, how it should happen, if there are any time frames that will be put in place to make sure that services indeed are rendered to the people in as urgent as possible. Sakina.
Well, thank you so much, Busisiwe Jemsana-Mantashe. And of course, SABC will bring you further updates on that particular story throughout the day. All right, it's time now to